Hi everyone! Want a stunning YouTube thumbnails without a graphic design skills? Let's use a Pikzels AI to generate a viral thumbnails, just a simple text prompt. Let's get started. First open in your browser at pixels.com and sign up or log in. Then here in the dashboard, click the AI thumb generator. Then in the prompt box, type what you want to look like. For this example here, then hit generate, and then the pixels will give you a thumbnail options in seconds. You can pick your favorite or hit regenerate if you want. And if you want a face in it, you can use a face swap to insert your photo. And here for the final touches, you can tweak the layout. You can change the text, you can adjust the color, and all right inside the pixels. No Photoshop needed. And once you're happy with the result, just click download and upload it directly to your YouTube videos. And that's how you generate an eye-catching AI thumbnails with just a prompt. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.